We're going to try to do 4 waist high kicks, but I want you to think of this. Brush through the floor like a ballet battement, where you're going to brush a penny forward. Pretend you could brush it through the floor. When you get right here, 1 inch off the floor, this leg is engaged. It is locked, like you've locked the knee. It can't go like this. It can't like develop up. Okay, ready? Here we go. We're going to do 8 waist high kicks. Somebody answer this question for me. What is a common problem with kicks? Timing. What would be a kick timing problem? Exactly what I was looking for. Not snapping them down. Many people, good answer. Many people get them up, but they lag them down. So we're going to yell the downs, okay? We're going to go 8, down, 7, down. Okay, ready? And pull them down and make your feet go together. Make your feet go together, okay? 5, 6. We're only going waist high, by the way, because if you can't kick high, good waist high, you're never going to get them high. You've got to get the waist highs beautiful, okay? Always go back to the basics. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, stop. Here's what I don't want to see. See how picky I am? Did anybody watch my team from Brainerd last night? And I think a lot of people look at them and go, oh my God, they cheat. No, we are so flippin' picky that they work their tushes off, and I really feel kids aren't born different in any city. It's how hard you work and how hard sometimes it's your culture that you want to work hard, So that's what we're trying to develop is you guys got to want it and want to get there. I will share any secret I know. I'll tell you that. Okay, so let's try. What I noticed that bugged me that time is people started doing this. They started going 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't do that. Go 5, 6, 7. Prep. Go. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go 5. Yeah. People are like, okay, I'm going to go, and they wind up. So what I want you to do is go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Stop. That's all we're going to do right now. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Stop. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Stop. That's how we're going to get our timing together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, stop. So I want it to be 8, 1, stop. Okay, ready? Point your feet really hard. The minute they leave the floor, they are pointed. You should feel a pointed foot in your Achilles. If you're not pointing hard enough, you won't feel it. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, stop. All right, now let's do 8 waist high kicks. But hit that first one just like that, all right? Got it? Are you having fun? Is this okay? I'm trying not to kill you, okay? Because I know you're probably tired. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, down, 6, down, 5, down, 4, down, 3, down, 2, down, 1, stop. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, down, 2, down, yell the downs.
Down, down, down.
Ready?
Down.
Stop. Okay, so